Alrighty guys, thanks to Mulwark for sponsoring another video with another great tool. This one is 450 piece Mulwark pocket hole jig accessory kit, or accessory set. So we look at the back here and we can say it comes with some 1 inch, some 1 1/4 inch, some 1 1/2 inch, some 2 inch, and some 2 1/2 inch screws. And let's see, yeah, there's 75 to the 1 inch and 125 to the 1 1/4 inch. Then it goes back down to 75 for the 1 1/2, the 2 inch, and then up to 100 for the 2 1/2 inch. Also comes with 20 wooden plugs and a new bit. That's cool. That's cool. So, tells you, I think it's like $24 on Amazon. We'll put the link down below in the description if you want to check that out. But as far as the box goes, slide, whoops. Yep. Slide the little things over. That'll allow you to open. I think I just closed it. Ah, yeah, I did. Now it does have this, I don't know, what is this? Styrofoam piece. That's going to help hold those down in place. So I'm keeping that in there because I've had kits before where I took the foam piece out and it just, everything just exploded everywhere. And I don't like that. I like everything to stay in place. So everything's all split up to its own little hole, own little spot here. Just the new drill bit. It seems these go dull after some use. I would imagine by the time I would use all these, this might be a little dull and needs resharpened. The one I got downstairs though, it's still sharp, so I'm good. I'll save that for the future. Those little pegs, those are nice if you put your pocket hole on a side where you want to see it. If it's going to be on a side that you don't see it, no need to use those. But if it's going to be on a side that you do see it, it's nice to cover it up. It is. I always try to put mine on a side where I'm not going to see it, or underneath, inside of it, somewhere where you're not going to see it, or if you do see it, you're not going to touch it, play with it. And most people out of sight, out of mind. So, but I guess there could be some instances where you just need to put it out there. These are the square heads, so you need the square bit to put these in. But I mean, if you bought the Mulwark pocket hole jig, you have that square bit. Even if you bought the Craig pocket hole jig, you still got that square bit. I think pretty much any pocket hole jig, you're going to have that square bit. Or any toolkit you buy, they're going to have that square bit. I could probably 3 or 4 toolkits right here beside me that I could pull out any number of square bits, but I really don't think I need to. You guys know what the deal is. But a nice little case for it. This will be nice to kind of hold it all in place and maybe, not go strolling through the park one day, because it didn't slide open, but I would be afraid it might.